Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delex. If you are new, hi, hello, welcome to my corner of YouTube universe. I hope you enjoy this video. If I'm new, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So as you read about the title, sorry, you guys know what type of video it is. So I did get a lot of requests from parents asking me what type of hair products to use, and I'm here to deliver. So let's get this video started. So let's get this video on the road. So I'm gonna leave this little space here so that I can put up all the pictures to make sure that for the persons who don't know these products, they are better able to find them in stores. So I got my little book and I wrote them down to make sure that I get you guys. So I did go ahead and categorize all these products that I'm about to list to you guys. So I'm going to start with the first category, which is shampoo. So the best product to use for your toddlers hair, baby hair, in terms of shampoo are the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Shampoo. As you guys know, I do own one of those products, so I'm gonna show you now. Okay, so for the persons who don't know it, look, this is how the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Shampoo look. It is a very good shampoo and a little goes a far way. So, but the thing about this is that you have to make sure that it doesn't go in the toddler's eye because it will burn them. So make sure when you're washing it out, you hold them head back to make sure it doesn't go in the eye. So that's the first one. Okay, so the second shampoo I'm gonna get into is the Shea Moisture Mango and Casserole Kids Shampoo. So this shampoo is made just for kids, and I definitely suggest this one. The third one I'm gonna go on is the Dejahkerr for Kids Shampoo. So this is the one that my cousin used, so I know for sure it is a very, very good shampoo. So these three shampoos that I list for you are great shampoos to try. Let's jump into the next category, which is my favorite, deep conditioner and conditioners. Okay, so the first one on my list is the Moist 3-Minute Miracle one. So the reason why I put this one on the list is because, as you know, toddlers, they don't tend to sit for a long period of time. So the 3-Minute Miracle would allow you to moisturize your hair in a shorter time. So unlike us that will sit for an hour with it in our hair, it is less likely that they will want it in their hair. So 3-Minute Miracle one is definitely a good choice because it definitely moisturizes your hair. You hear much time I said definitely get it. So the second one I'm gonna go on is the TGIN Honey Miracle. You guys know this is my favorite deep conditioner of all time. I love this deep conditioner, and I can vouch, no matter the age or the size of the child or person in general, this deep conditioner is work great, and you're able to get moisture in a shorter period of time, because this is what I was looking for when I did my research for you guys, is to find products that are moisture infused in a way that kids don't have to keep it in their hair for a long period of time for their hair to be moisturized. So definitely try that one. If you have it in your stores nearby, pick it up. So the third one I'm gonna go onto is the Shea Moisture Marua. I hope I am pronouncing that properly, but picture is there. So yeah, and then the last one I'm gonna go onto is the Cantu for Kids. Again, this is one I can vouch for because my younger cousin, she uses this one, so it is definitely good. So all these conditioners I'm telling you are products that I've tried or I've seen persons close to me use. I'm not going to go on about any products that I'm not sure about. So these are products I can vouch for. So if you know any other conditioner for kids that you know a lot of persons might find helpful, you can definitely comment it down below. But these are the ones that I know of. But share this caring. So if you know a conditioner or a shampoo, any products that I'll be listing, any category, I mean, that you know a product that will fit great into that, definitely comment it down below. So we're going to move on to the leave-in. Okay, so we have our hair clean, our hair is moisturized, well conditioned and everything like that. Now we need to start sealing in that moisture, and we're going to start with the leave-in. So my leave-in of choice is the 3-in-1. You guys know my favorite leave-in of all time, and it's definitely good for kids too. So it's a 3-in-1. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a 3-in-1 by Main Choice. This is how it looks. So it can be used as a co-wash, it can be used as a leave-in, and it can be used as a detangler. And why I suggest this is because a lot of times your child hair will be tangled and you don't want to just go in with a shampoo. So if you have something that can be used as both a co-wash, a detangler, and a conditioner, this is this pick it out. It's good. So yeah, that is the first one. So the second one I want to go in is a dejahkerr for kids leave-in. So you guys see I maintain this line because this line is a very good line for kids and it is for your kids. So yeah, then we're going to move on to the kinky curly knot today. So the kinky curly knot today is a very saturated product, so it is key that you dilute it. You know, get a little spray bottle and you put some in it with some water and then you spritz your child hair. Again, that can be used as a leave-in and as a detangler. So it's good if you want to detangle your child hair before you start washing it. That is good, and a little goes a far way. So definitely, you guys tired of hearing me saying definitely, but these products are really, really good, and I strongly suggest you get them. You don't have to pick up all of them though. I'm so sorry I didn't put this disclaimer. You do not have to go out and buy all these products that I'm mentioning. You can just pick up one of each category and try it, and then you rotate. You know, you try a next one, but you don't have to go out and spurt and buy all of them at the same time. Okay, so the last leave-in I want to go on is the dejahkerr for kids conditioner detangler. I did put this in the leave-in because it's a good detangler, and detanglers are good for kids because they do not let you sit and comb through tangles if they're not about that life. So detanglers are good. That's why I told you the 3-in-1 and the kinky curly and the dejahkerr for kids leave-in, great for pre-poo, aka detanglers, or no, like pre-poo and detangler is not the same thing. Sometimes you can use a detangler to go into a different style. It don't necessarily when you're about to wash their hair. So we're going to move to the stylers. So this is a very, very important category because for some strange reason, kids, I don't know where, when you put products in their hair, by the time they go to school and come back, it's as if you never did. So you really need good stylers to make sure that their hair is properly moisturized, so when the next day when you're about to comb it, or next week rather, it is still moisturized enough so you are not raking through the hair and it won't be a hassle, because you need kids to sit down for you to comb their hair, and if you're raking through their hair, they will not sit one place. So yeah, so the first styler I have is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Cream of Nature by Shea Moisture. I am so sorry. So yeah, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie is by Shea Moisture, and then you also have the Curly Kids Mix Hair Care Curl Cream. This is also a good styler too. And then you also have one of my favorites, which is the Talia Wajid Curl Definer. And then the last but not least is the Talia Wajid Curly Curl Cream. So this product, the Curly Curl Cream, is a very moisturizing product, and it defines your hair so great. I'm telling you, definition on point. Okay, so the last category I have for you guys is the gel category. And when I was thinking about the gel category, I went for healthy products. Okay, I didn't want to just put Eco Style or anything like that. So for kids, I wouldn't suggest that you go out and, no, not go out, but I don't suggest rather that you constantly put gel in their hair, okay? Because it is not good for their hair, because gels sometimes have alcohol and stuff like that, so it's not good, especially for your toddlers. So I decided to go for the most healthiest gels I can think of, and with that comes healthy moolah. Okay, but let me go in it and you can decide if you want to splurge on these products, yes or no. But these are all the suggestions. So the first one is the Kinky Curly Custard. So this product is like an extension to the Kinky Curly Knot today. Those two pair marvelously. I'm telling you, definition and moisture sealed and delivered. But again, these products are not the They're not as cheap as Eco Styler, let me say that. So the second one you have is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Perfect for a perfect for whatever style you're looking for. Then you have the Uncle Funky Curl Magic. Again, not the cheapest. And you also have the Male Organic Curl in Custard. And the last gel that I have on this is to make your own with flaxseed. So again, I'm telling you guys, with toddlers, you want to make sure that all the products that you're putting in their hair is as healthy as it can be, right? And with you making your own flaxseed, you have no parabens, no alcohol, anything like that. So basically, you just buy the flaxseeds at the health food store, and you put it in, like, say for example, you put a cup with two cups of water in a pan, and you just allow it to boil. And when you see it start getting that gel-like consistency, you strain it off and leave it to cool. When you leave it to cool, now the gel, I guess the texture will improve in terms of how jelly it is. Okay, so yes, and then you can put in your oils and stuff like that to make your own. So that is the last gel that I have for you guys. So I'm going to move on to one that is a next category that is very important for you guys, because most of you guys want hair growth. It's moisture and hair growth for you guys. So when I came up with oils, again, healthiest oils possible that are what's best, because they're toddlers. Okay, so I decided that I'm not going to give you guys any oil mixture or mixture of oils, you know, in bottles. Like sometimes you have the Cream of Nature that sells the 7 essential oils. Okay, I didn't want to give you any other. I wanted you guys to go out and buy raw oils. So what is good for kids hair is Jamaican black castor oil. You guys know, everybody rave about that. That is very good. And you also have the jojoba oil. Try to get natural oils, okay? And then you have olive oil. This you can get in your supermarket, you can get at your hair store, you can get anywhere. Olive oil is a very common oil, but it's not the cheapest. And you also have coconut oil. So you have a number of brands that selling this, but if it doesn't say 100% oil, then it is not all natural. So how you can know this is when you look in the ingredients. If you just see the oil, like you see coconut, 100% coconut oil, then that is 100% coconut oil. If it say coconut oil and Tom, Dick, Harry, Sue and Palm, that's not all natural. If it's same thing for jojoba oil. If it's a jojoba oil and Tom, Dick, Sue and Palm, that's not 100%. Make sure that any oil that you're buying, you don't see no alcohol, no parabens or anything like that. So you're gonna look for jojoba oil, olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. All those oils are good. If you can find a product that have all of that and just say oils and more oils, then I definitely suggest you buy them. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, especially for my parents who have been requesting this. I hope this video did justice and you guys, you know, able to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe and share it with a friend, share it with a parent that you know who is looking for hair products. And especially during this whole pandemic, a lot of parents have to learn how to comb their children hair. So this is a very good video to give them. So thank you guys so much for the support in advance, because I know you guys will. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.